ages. There is no basics to discussion this. 3 years ago, Ramu age was 22 years. Okay, 3 years ago. Present were 25 years. But he's asking then find the age of after 5 years plus 5. What is the age of Ramu? 30 years. Okay. 5 years ago, the sum of the ages of A and B is 30 years. This is A plus B is 30 years. 5 years ago, this is. If you want to press, then find the sum of their present ages. Means every person increased 5 years. Means what is the value increased 10 years? Both are. There's the present, their ages is 40 years. Okay. Present, their ages is 40 years. The sum of the ages of A and B, C is 3 years. The sum of the ages of A, B, C is after 3 years is 45. Means A plus B plus C equal to 45 years. This is after 3 years. Means present we have, if you want to present their ages, means minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, this minus 9. So minus 9 means 36 years. Their present ages 36 years. Okay, 36 years. Next one, the sum of the ages of A and B is 40. Okay, A plus B is 40, and the ratios between their ages is 5 is to 8. Okay, 5 is to 3. Then find the age of A. This is A, this is B. What is asking A? A is 5 by 5 plus 3, 8 into 40 years. 8 5 years, 5 5 years. What is the value? 25 years. Okay, 25 years. The age of A equal to 25 years. Next one, the sum of the ages of A, B, C is A plus B plus C equal to 60 years, and the ratio between their ages is 5 is to 4 is to 3. Then find the age of C. So 3 by 5 plus 4 plus 3. This is C, this is B, this is A. So totally 12 into 60. 12 5 years, 3 5 years, 15 years. Okay, age of C is 15 years. Next one, the sum of the ages of A and B is 65 years. 65 years, and the ratios between their ages is 8 is to 5. Then find the ratios their ages of 5 years ago. Present A is to B is 8 is to 5. This is the A. 8 by 13. 8 plus 5 13 into 65. 13 5 years. So 8 5 years how much? 8 5 years 40, and 5 by 13 into 65. 13 5 years. 5 5 years 25. So totally, but he is asking 5 years ago. 5 years ago means this is minus 5, this is minus 5, means 35 and 20. 5 7 years and 5 4 years. What is the ratio? So 7 is to 4. 7 is to 4. Okay, next one, the sum of the next one, the sum of the ages of A and B is 24 years. A plus B 24 years. A ages is 3 thrice of B, means A is to B equal to 3 is to 1. Then find the age of A. 3 by 4 into 3 plus 1. Age of B. A. So 24. So 4 6 years. 4 6 years. 3 6 years. What is the age? 18. Okay. Age of A is 18. Next one. The sum of the ages of A and B is 72 years. 72 years. The ratio between their ages is 7 is to 5. Okay, 7 is to 5. Then find the ratio between their ages after 6 years. Means what is the 7 by 12 into 72? 12 6 years. 7 6 years 42 years. And 5 by 12 into 72. 12 6 years. 5 6 years 30 years. But he's asking after 6 years. After 6 years means 42 plus 6 is to 30 plus 6. Okay, 48 and 36. 12 3 just 12 4 just 4 is to 3, 4 is to 3. There's after 6 years 12 is to 4 is to 3. Next one, the sum of the ages of A and B is 50 years 5 years ago. This is A plus B equal to 50 years 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago. And present ratios, where is the present ratio? 7 is to 5. This is present, so we have to sum will be present. So 5 plus 5 10 means we have to add 10 years 60. What is the find the age of A present? This is the A, this is the B. 7 by 12 into 60. 12 5 just 7 5 just 35 years. 35 years A present age. Okay. The sum of the ages of A and B is 50 years. Sorry, this is sum of the ages of A and B is 72. Okay, after 6 years. After 6 years. So if we bring present, minus 6 equal to minus 12. Means what is the value? 60. And their present ratios is 7 is to 5. Then find the age of A, means 7 by 12 into 60. 12 5 years. 7 5 years 35 years. What is the 35 years A age? Okay. Next one. The sum of the ages of A and B is 30 years. The ratios between their ages after 5 years is 5 is to 3. This is present after 5 years 5 is to 3. Okay, 5 is to 3. Then 5 their ages after 5 years means this is it will be increased, plus 5 plus 5 means plus 10, 40 years. Okay, 40 years. Then find the age of A present. But A present 5 by 8 into 40. 8 5 just 5 5 just 25 years after 5 years. This is you want a present age of A means 20 years. Present age of A is 20 years. This is 5 years after. That's why we have to subtract 5. Next one, the sum of the ages of A and B is 70 years. A plus B equal to 70 years. And 5 years ago, this is present. And 5 years ago, the ratio between their ages. 5 years ago, ratios ago 7 is to 5. So it will be back 5 back, minus 5 minus 10 means totally 60 is there. What is the then find the age of B means 5 by 12 into 60. 12 5 just 5 5 just 25. This is 5 years ago, but he is asking present. 5 plus 25 plus 5 30. Okay, now 30 is the percentage of B. Percentage of B. Okay, the sum of the ages of A and B is 24 years. After 3 years, A ages will be double of B, means 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. This ages will be, it will be increased 3 years plus 3 years. So total 60 years, it will be increased totally 30 years. What is the age of A? A is 2 by 2 plus 1, 3 into 30. 3 10 years, 10 into 20, sorry 2 into 10, 20 years. This is after 3 years. Present is minus 3, 17 years. So A age is 17 years. Okay. The sum of the ages of father and son is 50 years. Father plus son is 50 years. And after 5 years, father age will be double son's age. Means father sons. This is after 5 years. So doubles of son's age 2 is to 1. What is then find the father's percentage? Father percentage whatever that. This is present plus 5 means 5 years. After 5 years, this is the ratio. This we have to add total 60. So father is 2 by 3 into 60. 3 3 into 20. 3 to 220 is 40 years. This is after 5 years. Minus 5 equal to 35 years. Father present age is 35 years. Okay. The sum of the ages of mother and daughter is 60 years. Mother plus daughter is 60. And 5 years ago, mother age was 4 times of son's age. Mother, daughter. Okay. Then find the age of daughter. This is 4 years ago. Okay. 4 years ago. Oh, sorry, 5 years ago. There's what is the then find the age of the daughter. So 1 by 5 into okay, mother father present is 60. The ratios was the 5 years ago means minus 5 minus 5 means minus 10 50 years. So 50 5 10 years 10 plus this is 5 years ago plus 5 years 15 years. Daughter present age is 15 years.